Hi, my name is Sven from Rencore, and today I'm going to talk to you about our feature dashboards and why I think this is a crucial feature for your governance and tool adoption in Microsoft 365. Let's jump into it. Opening up Rencore Governance, you will always be greeted with a tenant overview dashboard. And in fact, we do have quite a lot of dashboards for different purposes. Let's take a first look at the tenant overview dashboard. The name already tells you that is meant to give you an overview about what's going on in your tenant. And you have sort of three sections or multiple sections here, like these two lines. There are more cost related. The next lines are more like security and external access related. And then we go down to declutter and some more like inventory based dashboard tiles that we do offer here. And we can also see that we do have quite a variations of which kind of tiles we can use in dashboards. So for example, if we take one of these here on the top, we can see those are based on a report. You can see it here on the Go to Report section. So there is a report in this demo environment that is running in the background all the time. And this is keep updating the dashboard tiles that we can look at here. We can also have these configurable tiles here, and where you can see we can configure which service or category, compliance category you want to look at. In this case, it's cost. That will also be available for security or external access or declutter, whatever the categories are that you choose. Those are just the standard out-of-the-box ones that we do offer in Rencore Governance. But for example, if you pick categories like security or service-wise, you can choose these here too. So further down the line, we do have, again, these configurable tiles for security-related things, for declutter-related things. But we do also have these special tiles here. Those are based on inventories, so you can reflect a certain part of your inventory of your Microsoft 365 tenant in a dashboard right away when you need it for your special use case. We can also take a look at other dashboards we offer. So there are quite a lot of pre-built ones, and you can also create your own dashboards. So taking a first look at the cost dashboard, you can see, obviously, it's really cost related. It's heavy on the numbers and licensing cost, but you can again see, and you can probably recognize those tiles here from the dashboard before. So they are similar to what we did see in the past dashboards. Also, we have one on security and a number of other dashboards. I don't want to go through every dashboard we offer, but just to show you some examples of how you can use these dashboards. And something that I like to do with my customers is also to create your own dashboards based on your roles using Rencore Governance. For example, if you have a Teams administrator using Rencore Governance in their day-to-day work, you can easily build a Teams administrator or Teams governance dashboard here and incorporating like all the reports and compliance policies you created to govern your Teams environment in your organization, and to build up like a comprehensive overview about what's going on, what's hot in Teams governance in my organization. And you can use these dashboards for these use cases. Again, we offer creating your own dashboards. We offer editing existing dashboards, and this is basically allowing you to move tiles around and to make changes to the title and description. Even though there are pre-built ones, you can make changes to them, just as you can create your own ones. And you can also click on Add Tile, and then you will be able to add new tiles from inventory reports, compliance policies, whatever you can think of, and incorporating those informations in your dashboards, pre-built or custom ones. Yeah, so that's basically it. I hope you liked it, this little sneak peek in our dashboards feature. And yeah, stick around for the next showcase.